This is David from the Helmet Center, helmetcenter.com. Today I'm going to introduce our new helmet guarantee. Effective July 1st, 2019, we are offering a new helmet guarantee, which is essentially a crashed helmet replacement policy. So if you buy a helmet from us, a street helmet, and you crash it within the first 24 months of owning it, you can get some or all of the replacement cost for free. Today I'm going to go over with you the 18 criteria in order for you to qualify. Number 1, you must have a police-issued accident report with your name on it. Number 2, the Helmet Center reserves the right to decide what is damaged beyond wearable. Number 3, the rider must present the receipt and the helmet within 90 days of your accident. Number 4, the Helmet Center will retain the damaged helmet. In the case the insurance company keeps the helmet, you must provide photos to prove that the helmet was indeed damaged. Number 5, new helmet credit will be for helmets of equal or lesser value than the original purchased helmet. So if you want to purchase a better helmet, you can use that amount of credit and just pay the difference for a more expensive helmet. Number 6, the helmet credit is non-transferable and non-refundable. It is indeed for the actual rider, the purchaser of the helmet. Number 7, the helmet credit is for in-store credit only, for the original purchaser only. Number 8, the helmet credit is non-redeemable for products other than a replacement helmet. Can't buy tires, batteries, things like that. It must be for a replacement helmet. The offer is not valid for dropped, stunted, track day, or race helmets. The idea of the policy is to protect the everyday street rider in a crash. Okay. Number 10, the helmet must be at least DOT rated to qualify for replacement. No novelty helmets qualify for this program. Number 11, the replacement helmet must also be DOT rated. Number 12, the helmet replacement is prorated and will be determined by the original date of purchase. Currently, as it is as of today, it's going to be such. The first 6 months, it is 100% free replacement. From 6 month to 12 month, you get 75% of the value for free replacement. From 12 months to 18 months, you get 50%, and then from the 18 to 24, you get 25%. At the 24-month mark, the warranty is passed. All right. The full helmet replacement is not valid on clearance helmets, dirt bike helmets, youth helmets, and price match helmets beyond 10%. The customer only gets one replacement helmet from the original purchase. So basically, if you're unfortunate enough to crash it twice within 6 months, you do not get a second free helmet. It is just for one time only. The Helmet Center reserves the right to refuse an exchange if it feels the customer is not being honest about the situation of their crash. The idea, the spirit of the policy is to allow you to, cover yourself if, God forbid, in the first couple months or first year or two you actually have an accident. Okay. Helmet Center's crash replacement starts on all purchases starting July 1st, 2019. So from this date forward, any helmet you buy will qualify, provided it is a DOT-approved street helmet. And then lastly, the helmet must carry the Helmet Center Crash Guarantee decal on it to be covered. There's a small decal that looks like our logo there that we affix to the back of the helmet. That way it guarantees us so we know it was indeed the helmet that went out of the store. If you have any more questions, go to thehelmetcenter.com. There's a link on the main page you click to, and it will take you to a page with all of our criteria for the new helmet guarantee. So just know that if you bought a helmet from the Helmet Center or thehelmetcenter.com, that you can ride protected knowing your investment is protected. I'm David from the Helmet Center. Thank you very much.